the vision of the DJI drone in the commercial drone system. So you will see is we want to offer a very standardized and integrate data collection platform. So we want to empower the workers with the streamlined tools that help them to better work. So we also noticed that drones was widely used with accurate data collections. And you will see most of the DJI drones will carry two cameras, one thermal sensors and one vision sensors. And also we have the SDK platform. So with PSDK ecosystem partners, we also have more than hundreds of the PSDK payloads. So with this kind of success, we will say that DJI drone enterprise drones was widely used in, I think it's in the more than 40 verticals and hundreds of the scenarios. The drones collaborate with the command centers to really get the real environment information. So with this panorama and 2D maps of the real-time environment information, so on-site pilot can be work close with the command centers. So for the energy sectors like utility providers, maybe they use the drones to do some precise or general visual inspections. Also, they can do some to detect the growing trees by LiDAR, to the corridor detections. And also in the oil and gas industries. So besides the normal, we can use the drones to do the security patrol, but also we can do some industry-specific missions like gas detections, methane detections. So use the U10 is one of our third-party payload, so they can do the methane detections, which will be enable the oil and gas suppliers to detect the gas leak and also know the location of the leak. So thus we can provide the nature damage in advance. So I think drones was used in the area photography is kind of the revolutionary, both in the technologies and the business mode. In the AEC and the surveying sectors, it's not just about the cost and efficiency. It's also about the future of the possibles. Because now AECs, besides of land surveying, urban plannings, and constructions, can be used in the antique building protections. So you can see the models. These models is created by the Mavic 3 Enterprise. So you can see all these old, beautiful antique buildings can be protected and can be stored. This will be the most three widely used verticals by drones.